What is going on, everybody? It is your boy Stas here. Welcome back to another video. So check it out. We're going to go over this company today that's up and coming, that I'm looking at, that's on my watch list, that you guys probably should add to your watch list as well. And mind you, it is a smaller company, and with smaller companies, there is a lot more risk, so keep that in mind. But we just got some news from this company that maybe could, cause them to do well over the course of, the next couple of quarters, next couple of months, next couple of years. So let's just dive into it. The company is called 1606 Corp. Their ticker symbol is CBDW. So let me dive into this, little tab right here. And by the way, if you guys find value, hit that like button. Make sure to subscribe here for more content. I appreciate you all for tuning in. As always, you guys can see here, this company is an early stage sales marketing company, and they manufacture and market smokable hemp products in the United States. They offer nicotine and tobacco-free alternative to cigarettes and vaping products using industrial-grade hemp, and the company sells and distributes its products to distributors, convenience stores, smoke shops, and individual purchasers, and it offers its products online through 1606 Hemp. And you guys can see 1606 Corp was founded in 2019, again a newer, smaller company here, and they're headquartered in Phoenix, Arizona. So they're here in the United States, over in Arizona. So it's an up-and-coming company, like I said, guys, and we just got some huge news that's pretty groundbreaking in my opinion. Let's dive into this Yahoo Finance article. You guys can see, if we come down a little bit here, CBDW, actually, let me move my face a little bit to the right here. There we go. I'll make my face a little bit smaller as well so you guys can actually see what's going on here. So CBDW has just unleashed ChatCBDW, which is an AI-driven online merchandising technology designed for the CBD and wellness industries, which, to my knowledge, guys, nothing has been created like this, and they're, working on this. They're unleashing it, right? So let me read that again. This is an AI-driven online merchandising technology designed for the CBD and wellness industries, and merchants interested in the platform's beta test can now register for installation here at this link. Guys, we're not going to go to that link now, but this incredible merchandising tool offers CBD and wellness merchants the ability to increase sales by providing product recommendations, track user behavior for inventory management, and ChatCBDW can also provide information on products and education around the clock, which for a newer industry like this, right, that's very important. The fact that they can provide education around the clock. They have different software AI that can really give you recommendations, right, if you don't know what product to try, this, that, or the third, right? And they track user behavior, so they get a bunch of data. They obviously go through that data, refine the tools, right? Make better recommendations and so forth. So yeah, they're getting into AI here, guys, which of course is the talk of the town these days. And coming down here a little bit more, 1606 Corp, which again is the name of the company here, additionally announced that Cool Blue Distribution is now a North American licensed reseller of ChatCBDW and is set to engage its network of over 800 CBD retailers immediately. That's massive, guys. The fact that they're looking to engage these existing retailers that exist right now, about 800 of them, over 800 of them, that's going to be huge to get this product, ChatCBDW, out there to help more people and so forth, right? Since ChatCBDW is now live on these websites, the company will provide onboarding process, the onboarding process materials and merchant presentations to facilitate Cool Blue's marketing efforts to drive sales for 1606. And Greg Lambrecht, CEO and chairman of 1606, stated, having a viable AI merchandising product puts us into a new revenue generating mode for the company, which of course is huge, which makes this pretty interesting for the future, right, guys? And full disclosure, I'm not telling you to buy this stock. I'm not telling you what to do. For all we know, this could go to zero, right? We don't know what's going to happen in the stock market. All I'm saying is, add it to your watch list, right? Keep your eyes on it. And full disclosure, I own 0 shares personally of this stock, so keep that in mind. I own 0 shares of the stock. But yeah, I mean, look, this is interesting right now. And the CEO also said, we will, of course, continue developing new features, but the company is now focused on what's next. And now that merchants are actively testing Chat CBDW, the company will begin exploring additional verticals such as probiotics, supplements, vitamins, and nutraceuticals, which is huge, guys. They can also provide other products to their customers. And again, it all comes down to the tracking of data, right? Think about that. We have the AI tool that's recommending people certain things, and AI is smart, right? It's tracking data. It's changing on the go pretty much. It's seeing what customers actually like, their preferences, what they're deciding to purchase, and they're going to cater more towards that. Only makes sense, right? And or they're going to cater more towards what customers actually want. And if they allow tracking for their data from other apps, maybe they see on other apps they're looking at probiotics or supplements, then maybe CBDW is going to be offering more of those products if they see consumers have interest and so forth. So the first direct to merchant marketing campaign is scheduled to begin mid-November 2023, which is coming up here, guys, with the goal of generating notable revenue before January 1st, 2024. So like I said before, guys, if we come down a little bit more, our bot or their bot was built on Microsoft Azure, the CBDW AI bot by ARXT Labs, a state-of-the-art development company in the AI space, and Chat CBDW is a proprietary bot fully integrated with ChatGPT, a state-of-the-art language model developed by OpenAI. This integration equips Chat CBDW with natural language processing, NLP in other words, and machine learning capabilities, allowing lifelike conversations and intelligent product recommendations, which is huge, guys. And it's designed to drive sales, educate audiences on products, and provide analytics, like we said before, on customer preferences and behavior, contributing to inventory management. The chat technology is enhanced through a patent possible process that tailors that tailors product recommendations to specific or to merchant specifications. So this is a very interesting company. Again, I have not seen anything like this personally in the market in terms of, obviously AI is out there, but in terms of AI specifically for this space that CBDW is dealing with. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments. Make sure to go add CBDW to your watch list. Again, full disclosure, I own 0 shares. I'm not telling you to buy. I'm not a financial advisor. And this video was made for marketing purposes, guys. Keep that in mind. We're just trying to get the word out there for this company. So what do you guys think? Let me know your thoughts in the comments, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.